When it comes to the steps of the pricing process, this just might be the most important. You've already gotten the right data, done the right searches, done the right positioning, entertained bridge pricing, and now you're at the place where you understand the market in a great way. But all your understanding matters very little if you can't package it in a way so your customers can understand it and arrive at the same place you did. So when it comes to putting your CMA together, there's some things you really have to focus on. First, what does CMA stand for? Now, for most people, it is a comparative market analysis. In this case, you went beyond that. Now, if you stopped at just finding the value of that first scattergram, that would be comparative market analysis. But with the extra work of looking at market factors, competitive advantage positioning, and thinking about bridge pricing, you've now reached the step of being a competitive market analysis. So what you need to do is help your customers understand that you're not just comparing to homes, but you're actively strategizing to get their home the most value and to help them get where they need to be at the right time. So in order to do this, we recommend, and we have built our CMA template around what we call the Tarantino method, right? If you think about a Quentin Tarantino movie, it always starts with the end in mind, zooms out to the big picture, and then comes back all the way down to the minutia to arrive at the final point and the final climax. So what you're going to do is you're going to first download the CMA resource and set up the template. Now let me show you that really fast. This is our CMA resource that you can download from your account. When you log in, you can right click and change these pictures to put your headshot in, your logos, change the information here, and make it personal to your customers. Now, as you go through the CMA template, it will guide you on what to put in each one. For example, replace this with the Google Maps look of their house's actual address. And another one of the satellite. You're going to replace this with the property records of the previous MLS sheet. You're going to add in the statewide and local FHFA graphs, the neighborhood patterns, your scattergrams, and you can see here these pages I showed you earlier are all in here. So you're going to download this and get ready to use it. Then what you're going to do is go through the program and print all your graphs, as well as go online and get all those additional resources. When you add all those in, you compile it all, you staple them all together, now you have a very beautiful, very succinct, and very powerful presentation that you can use to really explain it to your customers. So that's all you need to do is download this resource, type in the right things, replace each of these sheets with their instructed piece. For example, replace the detailed positioning scattergram with the quadrants graph. Okay, so you'd go to your program, you click here, you would print this out and put that on that sheet. Then as you talk through this, you go through the exact same process we went through here. You talk to your customers about the patterns of the area, what the takeaways are, how that means, what the established value is, explain buyers' eyes and how they're really competing against a different market than just their neighborhood, and then arrive at this place where you can see, hey, we have a competitive advantage and this is our range. The bridge pricing will be $500,000. Based on that, and based on all the information that you provide them, you then ask them to fill this in. Have them fill this in, give them that choice after you've presented that, and then you will give them power and you'll complete the pricing process in a very powerful way. Now the next video, we'll go through that full presentation of this all put together and really just present a CMA so that you can understand what the value of it is.